Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into an exciting feature of AIlignedREI, which is custom fields. Whether you are managing leads, appointments or campaigns, custom fields allow you to tailor the platform to your unique needs. In this video, I'll walk you through how easy it is to add and customize fields within your projects in AIlignedREI, giving you complete control over the data that's most important to you. Let's get started and see how you can make this platform truly your own. So to add a custom field, we'll go to the settings section where we have a lot of kinds of settings the users can make. So we'll just jump into the custom field settings. As you can see, we have a lot of fields already added in the section. The users can view all of the fields they have added in here. They can edit the fields, they can remove the fields as well. Further, we have the folders section. In the folders section, we can see that there are folders under which different fields come. For example, in the contacts folder, we can have the first name, the last name, the email, phone, date of birth. So basically, the users can categorize their fields as per the folders they want to have. The users can also see the deleted fields. Okay, to add a new field, the users will just simply have to click on the add field button, and the users also have the option to add a new folder, and the users can further add the field under that folder they have added or made. So to add new field, we'll just simply click on the add field button. So the users have different kinds of text inputs, values, choosing options and others as well. So as you can see, we have the single line inputs, we have the multi-line inputs, we have the text box lists as well. And for the values, we have the numbers, we have the phone number, we have the monetary options as well. Moving further, we have different options for drop downs as well and radio select etc. As you can see, we have a drop down single where the users can add the options they want to add. We have multiple drop down options as well. We have the radio select option as well, and we have the checkbox and the date picker as well. And further, we have others options, which includes the file upload option and the signatures as well. So let's just suppose we'll select the drop down single option. And to add the field, we just simply click on the next button, and the users will be prompted with this form where they will add the name of the field. We'll just simply select the object in which we want to see this field. It can be contact, it can be opportunity. Let's just select the contact option for now. And for the group section, groups are basically the folders we have in our system. So I'll just simply add this folder. So I'll just simply add this field in the additional info group. So as this is the drop down field, we'll just simply have to have the options as well. The users can add more options as well, and the users can delete the actions as well, and can add additional preferences, which can include the unique keys and the description of the fields. To save the field, we'll just simply click on the save button. And the users will have the the users will have the field added successfully. To view the field, we just simply go back to our system, to the dashboard of our system. And here, as you can see, I added the field in the contacts object. So we'll just simply click on the contacts, and we can click on any of the contacts we have added. We'll just scroll down and see all the fields, and I added that field in the additional info group. And as you can see, I have the custom field added in my system, and the options as well, as it was a drop down field. I will save the changes, and yes, here we go, we have the custom field added in our system. So that wraps up today's tutorial on custom fields in AIlignedREI. I hope this gave you a better understanding of how you can personalize your project data and streamline your workflow. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to drop a comment below. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more deep dives into AIlignedREI and other powerful tools. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next video.